Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to make avocado parmesan crisp chips. They're crisp, chewy, delicious, and a healthy alternative chip to snack on. And then I'll show you what I love to dip this with at the end. So stay tuned. Here are the simple 5 ingredients used to make this. 1 riped avocado, half of a lemon, shredded Parmesan cheese, garlic powder, and everything bagel seasoning. We'll start with this riped Hass avocado by cutting the avocado in half and removing the pit, and scooping out all the avocado flesh into a bowl. Then add 3/4 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. That was a half cup, and I'll add another 1/4 cup to make the 3/4 cup total. Then squeeze about half of a lemon's juice. Add half tablespoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of everything bagel seasoning. And now mix until all combined. Just like that. Then we'll grab a baking sheet with parchment paper over, and with a spoon scoop out small portions onto the parchment paper, like a cookie dough. And with the spoon flatten the mix. You can also shape it to a rounder circle or whatever shape you want. Keep in mind the flatter you can make it, the crispier it will become. With this, I was able to shape 7 large chips. I even made a heart-shaped one. Then in a 325-degree preheated oven, place this on the middle rack between about 30 to 35 minutes. Took a peek halfway, this was 15 minutes. Start checking on it at 30 minutes on, and I took mine's out at 33 minutes. Nicely baked with crisp edges but not burnt. Let it cool down for a few minutes, then you can remove. And that's how you make avocado parmesan crisp chips. Now you can eat them as is, or what I like to do is dip them in hummus dip. I have a recipe video for this, I'll link below if you want to learn how to make this at home as well. Now these chips were crisp, soft, chewy, and delicious. You taste the avocado with Parmesan cheese and its well-coated seasoning. It's all perfect together. A really good light, healthy snack alternative. Dip it with hummus and it tastes even better. I added some truffle oil to the hummus, then scoop it onto the avocado chip, and there you go. A perfect tasty avocado hummus snack. Avocado lovers, you'll love it. Hope you guys give this a try. Alright, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Take care and aloha.